Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. Today's video is about van prepping, and now we're about to go away on holiday, so I'm going to be doing some engine checks. I've already checked the brakes and handbrake, so I won't be filming that, but I will be filming me cleaning the roof. Now it sounds a bit weird, but I've got a solar panel up there and the van's actually been parked under a tree, and I've got this sort of sticky residue all over it and dust and a few twigs, so I'll be filming that. Anyway, I hope you take something from this video, but let's not hang around anymore and let's get stuck in.
'Cause I'm on mission like the 007.
No, it's not the coronavirus. Okay, so I'm just gonna check the engine. Obviously for the windscreen washer stuff, I've got a nice little treatment for the oil. Even though I changed the oil about 1,000 miles ago, I've got like a nice little treatment for it for when we go down to Sannon. And I'm just going to top the water up, and then obviously just check the level, just see if they're okay. Right, so I'm just going to top up the water, the radiator water to maximum. And I bought some of this called Wynns supercharged oil treatment. And like I said, I've changed the oil about 1,000 miles ago, so, but you know, just going to treat myself. Me and the son are going to have a McDonald's when we go down there, so I'm going to treat the van to this. And it's quite thick. So I have tried putting it in the sun and heating it up first. The engine's warm, but it's got a bit of a long way to go before it gets to the engine, so right, now I'm just going to leave that. Get my money's worth out of it. Right, let's check the oil. Good. Not too bad actually. Like I said, it's only 1,000 miles old, so not too shabby. Right. Still got loads in there. So we've got enough brake, I've got good brake fluid in there. I think what I might do is put, I've got some Wynns turbo cleaner, so I might just, I do it every now and again to clean the turbo. Makes it whiz around nicely, so I'm going to try that next. Okay, so I've just put the Wynns turbo cleaner in here and put the pipe back on. Now I'm just about to, I've left it for a few minutes, now I'm just about to fire it up. There'll be a bit of a, almost a misfire I think, but we'll see how it goes. Make sure it's all out of gear. Sounds nice. Whistle, that's what you want. Okay. So it's all sounding nice and smooth. Okay, so one other thing I wanted to do was to clean the top of the van. Where it's been parked under a tree, so there's a lot of sticky stuff everywhere, plus it's a little bit green, a bit dusty, and I think there's some twigs up there, so I'm going to have to take this sort of furniture off. I'll just show you. So it's taking this gangway off, or move it to one side, move the solar panel, and just generally just give it a bit of a clean because it's all dusty and sticky. Okay, so you can generally see underneath the gangway all the crap and the green bits of twigs. So I'm just going to get the solar panel off and we'll see what happens from there. So you can see what is underneath the solar panel. I've just taken off this cover here. This was supposed to overlap into the gully here and then run away, so when the awning's open it doesn't leak through this gap. Now it had sagged here, so it was a job needed doing before I go away, so I thought I'd do that when I clean the roof. Yeah, let's take all this rubbish off first. Okay, I've just hoovered up here, which is a lot better. All the way along here. This is my vent for the bathroom, one of my vents. So that's a lot better already, just cleaning the dust off. Now I'm just going to use soapy water to clean it all up.
All I want
the battery ran out, so I couldn't film all of it, but the whole roof has been done. All nice and clean. A few sort of watermarks, but that's it scrubbed up really well. So I'm happy with that. Right, I've just washed her as well. That's it now. She's done. She's looking really good. A few watermarks, like I said, but ready for our road trip down to Sennen.